Exercise 3.10. First problem. Angle B equal to 88 degree, A equal to 23 and B equal to 2. Here I want to take the sine formula. A by sine A equal to B by sine B. So this formula can be written as sine A by A equal to sine B by B. Here already it's given A is there. So angle A is 88 degree. So we can substitute that. So sine 88 degree divided by, instead of A we can substitute 2. Therefore, which is equal to sine A equal to 23 into sine 88 degree by 2. So 23 into the value of sine 88 is 0.999, which is equal to, if you multiply this we can get 22.99. Sine A equal to this much. Here it is not possible to find the solution of the triangle. Therefore, we couldn't find the solution here. There is no solution for this triangle. Second problem. In triangle ABC, A equal to 4, B equal to 6, C equal to 8. Show that 4 cos B plus 3 cos C equal to 2. Now we want to take the left hand side. 4 cos B plus 3 cos C. Here I want to substitute the formula of cosine formula. So 4 into, for cos B I can substitute A square plus C square minus B square divided by 2AC plus 3 into, instead of cos C I want to substitute A square plus B square minus C square divided by 2AB. And then we want to substitute all the values, what are the things given from the problem. Instead of A we can substitute 4, instead of B we can substitute 6, and instead of C we can substitute 8. So we have 4 into 16 plus 64 plus 36, squaring on the numbers we can get this, divide by 2 into 4 into 8 plus 3 into, here we have, again we want to square and substitute the numbers, 16 plus 36 minus 64 divided by 2 into 4 into 6. And then by simplifying this I got 80 minus 36 by 64. Here 52 minus 64 by 48. And then we can cancel and simplify. We can have 11 by 4 minus 3 by 4, which is nothing but 8. So 8 by 4. 8 by 4 is nothing but 2. So 8 by 4 equal to 2, which is the required answer. Third problem. In triangle ABC, if A equal to root 3 minus 1, B equal to root 3 plus 1 and angle C equal to 60 degree. Here I want to take the formula tan of A minus B by 2 equal to A minus B by A plus B into cot C by 2. That Napier formula I want to take here. So in that A I want to substitute root 3 plus 1, for B root 3 minus 1 divided by root 3 plus 1 plus root 3 minus 1 into cos 60 degree by 2. So the things are given in our book, so just we substituted that. And then simplify here, that we can multiply with this minus, so that we have minus root 3 plus 1 here. In this minus root 3 and plus root 3 will get cancelled. At the numerator I have simply 2. So 2 here, even here also I can cancel that, and then at the denominator we have 2 root 3. So from the numerator and the denominator we can cancel 2 and 2 here. So the remaining thing is here 1 by root 3. So cot 30 equal to 1 by root 3 here. Therefore cot 30 equal to 1 by root 3, which is nothing but which is equal to 1 here. Okay, so tan A minus B by 2 equal to 1. We got the answer like this. So that 1 is nothing but tan 45 degree. So from this I want to conclude this, A minus B by 2 equal to 45 degree. So I can equate these two, so that I have A minus the principal value is a minus b by 2 equal to 45 degree. Take the 2 to the other side so that the equation will become a minus b equal to 90 degree. And then from that equation, the triangle, we have already a plus b plus c equal to 180 degree, isn't it? So I want to take this value of a plus b here, take c to the other side so that we have 180 minus c. Therefore, a plus b equal to 180 minus 60 degree, that is equal to 120 degree. Here the first equation we got a minus b equal to 90 degree. Now we got a plus b equal to 120 degree. Want to solve both the equations now. Okay, so that we have 2a equal to 210, so angle a equal to 105 degree. I can substitute this angle a in this equation. So I will get the value of b here. So b equal to 2b equal to 30, therefore b equal to 15 degree. Okay, now we got angle A and angle B. Angle C is already given in a book there. Okay, and then similarly we have the side of A and B is given. We want to find the value of C now, isn't it? So we want to take the sine formula here. That sine formula is C by sine C equal to A by sine A. So keep C here and take the cross multiplication. Therefore, C equal to A sin C by sin A is here. And then substitute all the values, what are the things given from your book. For A, that is root 3 plus 1. For C, that is sin 60. And then for A, 105 degree. And then substitute the values. Here sin 60 is root 3 by 2. And sin 105, we can find the value by the trigonometrical values there. 105 is nothing but 90 plus 15, isn't it? So sin of 90 plus 15 is cos 15. We have the value of cos 15 is root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. So substitute that value here and then simplify. Keep the numerator as it is here like this, and then this denominator will become the reciprocal here, and then cancel these two things here and here, and 2 and 2, and then remaining thing is root 6 here. Root 3 and root 2 is there, so the multiplication is root 6. Therefore the value of C is root 6. Now we got the value of C, angle A, angle B.